Hello, my name is Alan. I am from Harmony Science Academy, and this is my PBL project video of the empirical formula of magnesium. Purpose and question of this experiment. In this experiment, the purpose is to find the empirical formula of magnesium oxide. Me and my group had two main driving questions. The first was, what is the empirical formula of magnesium? And the second is, what will the mass of oxygen be? Materials and safety. The materials needed for this experiment were a Bunsen burner, a crucible, a ring stand, clay triangle, a strip of magnesium oxide, and a weight. For safety precautions, me and my group used aprons, goggles, and heat-resistant gloves. Experimental plan. My group's plan for properly executing this experiment was to follow the procedure step by step. Our first step was to weigh all of our materials, such as the crucible with the lid, the magnesium strip by itself, and then both together. Once this was completed, we could move on to our next step. Our next step was to place the crucible on the clay triangle supported by the ring stand, and then we placed the Bunsen burner under it to try to ignite the magnesium. After waiting a short while, it was finally ignited. Then we safely put the top on top of the crucible, and with our heat-resistant gloves, took the crucible to a safe place where it can cool down. We then found the weight of the oxygen. Our data: weight of the crucible with lid, 39.62 grams. Magnesium oxide strip, 0.64 grams. Crucible and magnesium together, 40.24 grams. Crucible with lid magnesium after burning, 40.33 grams. These are our calculations. Our calculation for the empirical formula of magnesium. Our final answer was Mg14O. Analysis and conclusion. In our conclusion, we found the empirical formula of magnesium, and we now need to analyze it to find the percentage error. Here is the work I did to find the percentage error of our experiment. The percentage error I found to be 780%. Application and extension. In this project, I learned how to find the empirical formula of an element, as well as how to find a percentage error. Real-life application. The empirical formula can be extremely helpful in real-life situations when you need to identify an unknown compound. For example, pharmacists have to do this every day when making medications. So if I or anyone else wants to go into the medical field and study medicine, this is the perfect real-life application. Thank you very much for watching my video on the empirical formula. Hope you enjoyed and learned something new.